cop wanted for questioning in relation to the gruesome murder of Westmoreland woman Chantel Wright. Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom has launched a probe into the death of a 20-year-old woman whose body was discovered in a cane field in Brownbush, Westmoreland. Chantel Wright's body was discovered by residents on Friday. The report received by Indicom is that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF) could have information regarding her death. Indicom says a team from Kingston to include additional forensic support has been mobilized to assist its Western office with the investigation. Indicom says it is in contact with the High Command of the JCF regarding the incident. It is appealing to anyone who may have witnessed the incident Friday or have useful information to contact them. Residents staged a demonstration in the community shortly after Wright's body was found. Meanwhile, the police high command says it is aware of the allegations of the possible involvement of a member of the JCF in Miss Wright's murder. It says the member against whom the allegations have been made has been reassigned and is cooperating fully with investigators. The police say they are partnering with Indicom to conduct a thorough investigation. The High Command also says they have no evidence at this time of the police members' involvement in the crime. However, they say they are pursuing a full investigation with the sole purpose of identifying the person or person responsible for Miss Wright's death. The word on the street is that she is involved, or she was involved in a relationship with a police officer. It turns out it may be a senior police officer in terms of rank, and there are allegations that a belt resembling one worn by police officers would have been located or found on the scene of the crime, or where they found Miss Wright's body. I cannot confirm or deny any of that. That is just speculation and conjecture. That is just the word in the street. So we see now where apparently Indicom would have received a report and they have launched an investigation into the possibility of said policeman being privy to information surrounding or related to the murder, or if he is in fact related to the murder in some way, shape or form. Persons are saying the last time they would have seen her is when that policeman would have dropped her off, I am assuming at her home, 2 days before her body was found. Now, I have a couple of concerns. If a police officer is being investigated for murder, I would like to think that common sense would suggest that that police officer be placed on suspension. He has not been placed on suspension. He, however, has been reassigned amidst investigation. You understand me? I say, hopefully the forensic experts who are going down to Westmoreland will be able to extract whatever fingerprints would have been on that cell phone that was placed on her chest and the key, because I don't think that she put them on her chest. You understand me? I say, somebody a fight and a killer, you know, hold on for your cell phone and your key. So apparently somebody would have placed those on her chest. It is also alleged that the handle of a knife was also located or found on the scene. So hopefully the forensic experts are able to extract some clues from that. So that is the situation at the moment, please. Police are investigate police. Well, in the comments kind of different still. You understand? But I don't think he should be on active duty, considering that there is an investigation ongoing. Yes, I know say I'm job, I know say I have him family to feed, I am assuming, but at the end of the day, a crime is a crime if he is involved, and if investigations are ongoing, I would like to think that he would probably be able to manipulate some form of investigation, considering that he is actively working. So that is just my concern. However, the situation is sad. It has gripped. It reminds me in some ways to Shanika Gray's murder, and it is just as sad. I mean, we want to see the death of no woman or young lady or child or anybody for that matter. But you know, some cases you come across them and you feel a certain level of connection and attachment to it. I'm afraid that this is another one. So I hope that justice is swift and decisive, and the culprit or culprits responsible for the untimely demise of Shantel Brown are brought to justice, and the family, I mean, we can never get her back, but at least they would sleep in their beds at night knowing that the criminals who would have robbed them of their daughter, their sister, their friend, their cousin, their aunt, whatever, is brought to justice. So we'll keep updating as the news become more and more available. So the situation at the moment is that a police officer has been placed under investigation for involvement or possible involvement in the death of one Shantel Wright in Brownbush, Little London, Westmoreland. Out. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.